Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Volkswagen Amarok 2 liters TDI. The fuel filter is located underneath the car. It's located right there. In order to remove the filter, we need to push it up in order to remove it from its holder. And then we need to remove the two fuel lines. That's the holder right there that holds the fuel filter. We're going to push it up and it's out of the holder. Next we're going to remove the two fuel lines. In order to remove the fuel lines, there is two plastic tabs on both sides of the connector of the fuel line. We need to push them in either with if you can do it with your hands or your fingers, or with fuel line pliers, and then just use a screwdriver to pull out the fuel line from the fuel filter. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And now that we've removed the two fuel lines, we can take out the fuel filter and replace it with a new one. So that's the new fuel filter. Next we're going to put in the two fuel lines and put it in its place. And then we can go and prime the fuel system. To prime the fuel system, I'm going to be using scan tool VCDS, and there is an option, a function in the output tests where I can says fuel pump electronics, which will start the fuel pump relay, and the fuel pump will prime the fuel system. I need to prime the system for about a minute and a half, and then we can go and start the car. Okay, the fuel system should be primed now. Next we'll go and start the car. And that's the car started, so that means we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.